Hi, I'm Jules. In my speech therapy sessions, I'll almost always start with bubbles. If your child likes bubbles, this is a fantastic activity to use. What we do is I'll have the bubbles, make them be seen with some other toys so that your child can choose them. So I might have some transport or other toys out. And once I see your child looking at them, pointing or trying to imitate or say something toward and leaning toward the bubbles, I'll then notice that and encourage it by saying, yes, bubbles, let's play. Even if the child's not using words, we need to acknowledge that they are expressing themselves through gesture, looking, or pointing. So we always encourage that. Next, I'll say open and shake, 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 shake. Ready, set, go. Whoa, one bubble. So we're going to slow this activity down and use repetition again with our keywords or our core vocabulary. Things like open, bubble, more, my turn, and always ready, set, go. It's a great one. So ready, set. Then I'll pause before I say go and see if the child would like to say go or have an attempt, maybe even pointing or reaching. We still encourage that. That is them expressing themselves. So I'll say, yes, go. Wow, pop, 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 pop. So all those beautiful repetitions of pop and pop, remembering our first words typically are with our lips together like b, p, and m. So any kind of PBM sounds, pop and bubbles are perfect and more. So I will never withhold a toy or games to force a child to say words. We know this doesn't work and it just creates like a distrust and maybe even a frustration in the child that we just don't need in this play-based learning environment that we know works with children. So I will continue this game as long as the child is interested and as long as they're showing me that they like to play this. I'll use my finger to pop, as this is kind of like a little way of showing the pointing. Like I'll say, look, over there, over there. If they're trying with their hands, I may physically help them to use their hands to pop them or to get that pointer finger and draw attention to that. Ready, set. Big. Another good but word. So I'll do big bubbles, pause, wait. Might even put the bubbles here and pop them on the ground and have a look and see what the child does or says. Any kind of gesture, reaching, pointing, vocalizing is them expressing themselves. So I'll encourage that and go, yes. If they push it away, I'll say, oh, bubbles are finished. Let's see what else we have. So I'm always following the child's lead. I'm keeping it fun, positive, making sure that they're interested, and I'm incorporating those strategies along the way. So grab yourself some bubbles. I never take the wand fully out or you'll have water bubble mixture everywhere. So I always keep it to there. It's my little trick. And it just makes this game a lot easier and fun. So much fun to play. And the child can still have a turn. You can bring it up there for them to have a go. I hope you found this helpful. Take care.